Hey baddies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nospos Tole, and if you're new here, we are all things makeup and fashion. And today we are doing this full glam look. And yeah, if you guys really like this look, please stay tuned and then we'll get to it because I'll give you all the tips, the tricks, and everything in the goodie bag. Of course. Can never forget, because I'll give you all the tricks and everything in my goodie bag. Of course, I could never forget my baddies. But yeah, stay tuned because then so you guys know me, I always start off with doing my skincare. So recently my skincare has been consisting of a lot of serums, especially the different types of serums, your vitamin C, niacinamide and zinc, and retinoid serums. So I want to see how those look on my skin. So obviously when it comes to makeup, for that full good face beat, you always need to prime your face. So I'll start off with a jelly grip primer. Hopefully, when the money starts doing its things, I'll be able to afford the L Cosmetics jelly grip primer. But honestly speaking, it's all about just putting it in the budget. But yeah, and then I go in with my Maybelline primer, and then yes, I spread it all over my face and make sure that each of the products actually stay in the face and get absorbed by the face. So now I'm going to go in with my eyebrow shaping. So you guys know that you always need to put down your eyebrows with some sort of a wax or some sort of a glue that can help it stay in place, especially those eyebrow hairs. And don't let it go off too much. Try and keep it within the hairs and then wipe the external residue afterwards. So yeah, after I've shaped my eyebrows, I'm gonna go in with my concealers. So I need Jesus's help with this one. Like, I find it so difficult to use a darker concealer that is more matching to my skin tone at the top. Like, I need Jesus to come here himself and say, girl, you need to do this. But I'm still trying to find the right, I would say, I don't know, the right products for this. I really want to try Nigerian and Korean makeup and see how it works with my skin. But yeah, this is my journey to becoming a makeup artist. So I gotta get these things right. So yeah. Then I definitely carve out my eyebrows and I make sure that I create the shape that I desire. You guys, you don't understand. You really can get the shape that you want. Just draw what you're into. Get a reference, get whatever it is that you need to know exactly what you're into. Try things out and then you will know. You don't even need to show anyone what you're trying out. You can spend a day just doing eyebrows, literally, and figure out what works for your face, what looks nice, what looks natural, what do you feel comfortable with, and then you'll be able to get the best eyebrow shape for your face. And then just consistently do that, and then I tell you, after 5 eyebrow draws that you can do, you'll be perfect. Like, if I'm wrong, take me to the bank. I'm joking. I'm kidding. But yeah, carve those eyebrows out. Then I'm going in with a spot corrector. So I say this in all of my videos, is that like the spot corrector that you use, you need to make sure that like it actually matches your undertone. So lighter people, I would say like Caucasian, if they've got any form of impurities, theirs would most likely turn out to be red. So if it's like acne or anything like that, so the best color corrector for that kind of skin would be green. So please make sure you ask the people that you buy your makeup from. Like, guys, I cannot emphasize this enough. If you don't ask people, especially experts, what works for you, you will not find the best thing. You're just going to struggle until you find it out. So just ask and they'll be able to help you. Also, just, it's not that deep, you know, so just ask and then they'll be able to help you. So now I'm going into my foundation, and even with my foundation, I struggled. I failed to ask because I was like afraid of asking what's the best way to get the best foundation color for me, because I felt like I was two-toned. So obviously I would kind of need two foundation shades, but I struggled and struggled and struggled, received criticism after criticism until I finally found my best foundation shade. And even then, I'm still trying to perfect it. Thank God for contouring, because if it wasn't for the natural shadows that we create on our faces, I don't know, I would look like a blank canvas. I don't know. No flavor, no dimension, no anything. So yeah, now I'm going in with the best concealer. Like, I cannot emphasize this enough. This concealer is so creamy, so full coverage. At the end of the day, this concealer is sitting there like, hello, we just woke up. Like, you just put it on. Like, this Maybelline concealer, by far, you know, when I say by far, is amazing. Yeah, it's so amazing. I am loving blending things out with a beauty sponge these days. I don't know. I feel like, let's be honest, you guys, like, if because I'm on the journey of discovering makeup in its depths and making mistakes, and I'm allowing it in everything, I feel like the use of a brush, the use of a beauty blender is all dependent on your skin tone. So if you're not even your skin tone, sorry, your skin texture, if your skin texture is just not as smooth, then don't use a beauty blender, and that's okay. Retinoid and a good skincare can sort that out. You don't even need to feel some type of way about it, but you gotta know the facts. You gotta know what's your story, what's your face looking like. A beauty blender is working for me now because honestly, the skincare is doing its thing, girl, and I'm consistent with it. And I drink water, and I make sure to always detox with any form of a detox tea. But I feel like the use of these things, depending, obviously there's always that factor of there's certain kind of makeup artists that can really do an amazing face beats, but I just feel like if you're doing your own stuff at home, know your skin type, you guys, and then make use of whatever can accentuate those good parts of your skin type out, you know. So now I'm going in with my contour, and so contour is different from bronzer, you guys. So contour is particularly to create shadows in your face. So I love this contour because it literally, it brings out my undertone, which is a bit orangey and brownish, out in a way that I just love. So yeah, I'm trying to create shadows in my face, trying to have more dimension and literally look like a Da Vinci picture. A full Da Vinci picture, can you imagine? But yeah, guys, so yeah, I'm trying to sculpt out where I want my shadows to be and stuff like that. Yeah, and then I definitely blend within those spots, and make sure that when you do, make sure that you, on your forehead, you make sure that you blend that thing out, blend that product out, because you don't want to be seeing any demarcation marks of the different forms of product that you've been using. So yeah, make sure to blend that out and make it actually look like skin. Even when you're contouring your cheekbones, make sure to actually look like a dent a real cheekbone that God created, not some random thing that you're not, you don't even know. So yeah, create things that also accentuate the true beauty that you have, because each and every one of you has true beauty, and you just need to find the best makeup shapes and contouring spaces that can work to accentuate that particular beauty. I've seen some makeup transformations that I'm just like, you know what, like, this world is crazy. Every single girl is beautiful under this world. Like, remove makeup from it, but you get to see the different people, because now obviously you're seeing different makeup videos and they are hot. Girls are beautiful. So yeah, do your best to just bring out the natural you, because you are beautiful, So I blended it out with a bit of powder, and then now I'm going in with my blush, and I love this blush so much. Like, it's amazing, but I would love a more pigmented and a different shade now. I'm trying to spice things up. Now I'm going with the setting powder, and make sure that after you apply the setting powder, you blend it out so hard that it actually blurs out your pores and imperfections, because that's what it's supposed to do. Your makeup is not supposed to shift till the end of tomorrow, So yeah, make sure you get. Hey baddies, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are doing this full glam look. You know me, I've tried the clean girl aesthetic and it's a no. It's a no for me. I'm a full glam, full coverage girl. So yes, if you guys like this look, stay tuned and watch the rest of this video, because it has all the tricks and all the goodies to get this flawless look. You know what I mean? Yes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications.